we'll now move on to our fashion icon of the night, Maya Moria. Fashion icon of the night. That is Maya Moria. Organization for building
Good evening, everyone. Once again, thank you, Benedict, for your untiring and relentless pursuit of recognizing those who use their lives to uplift the lives of others. All of us in this room have the same objective, which is really to be a positive influence in the life of another. And with that, we dedicate our lives to only doing good and spread.
Ito na daw, sabay tayo sa kalas. Tara, halika na. Ano ba yan? Dumay ba yan? Saan? Ano ba sabi sa mga ito?
I'm sorry.
Checking.
Side po tayo ng konti. Then forward kayo sa akin. Thank you very much.
I'm so happy din kasi simple lang naman ang tao. And napansin ko, it feels like lahat ng partner ko po ay nagbunga. this is a
Watch their ABP. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be calling Dante Yamaguchi, the CEO of Sakura Lounge. Remarkable brand and building strategies in salon aesthetics, as well as the business excellence for safe and effective aesthetic treatments.
Hindi. Nagbi-video lang ko. Hindi ako nagla-live. Nag-live ka, di ba?
Good evening, everyone. I'm honored and proud to receive this award. It's a testament to our team's hard work and dedication to building a strong aesthetic company. And because of this award, salamat po ang pag-ibig na patuloy na magbigay ng
Sabi niya?
quality services.
Oh, iihig muna tayo. Matagal pa si Bunso.
Continue to learn, likewise, share my knowledge,
Mamaya pa si Bunso. Lagi naman niyang pinahuli si Bunso.
Family, kay God. Maraming salamat sa pagbubuo po ng Maharlika Filipino Awards. Maraming salamat po.
I would like to thank the wonderful team behind the Maharlikang Filipino Awards for the award conferred upon me tonight, the distinguished Maharlikang Filipino for legal expertise. Maraming salamat po sa malaking karangalan na mabigyan ng award
Diyan ko na lang
nito.
sa screen.
To be recognized as an expert is not an easy feat.
Ganun pa rin.
I am not
Sa
saying
uwi-
this
ilaw.
because I glory
Parang
in
walang
having
mukha.
achieved it, but rather because the challenge of reaching an excellent level of expertise was made possible not by myself, but because of the strength and wisdom from Lord God the Father above. Ano man po ang taglay nating talino na talumpasaan, expertise, lalo ng inyong lingkod, si Persida Apostay, ito pong lahat ay galing sa Diyos Ama sa kalangitan. Dahil ang karangalan, kayamanan, kapangyarihan, katungkulan ay nanggagaling sa kalangitan. Kaya sa Diyos Ama po ang papuri at karangalan na award ito na ating tinatanggap. Maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala ninyong lahat ng milyong sambayanang Pilipino na kliyente ng PAW. Lagi ko pong sasabihin, maiksi lang ang buhay, sandali lang. Gumawa po tayo ng magandang kasaysayan na magiging halimbawa ng susunod na generasyon ng ating mga mahalin na kabataan. Mabuhay po ang sambayanang Pilipino! Mabuhay ang tao! Mabuhay ang mahalin ng Pilipino!
Bahala kayo, magbibideo ako.
na makasama mo ako at ma-recognize po bilang isang kasama po dito sa inyong awards. At maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng mga kapusuan. And of course, I'd like to thanks also sa lahat ng mga supporters, sponsors po na tumutulong po sa akin sa mga gawain ko para magtulong po sa ating gawa. At maraming pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta at walang sawang pagmamahal. God bless po sa lahat and more blessings po pa po sa lahat ng mga award. God bless po.
This is Ma'am Benedict Amigo Molina swearing. Abangan niyo po, Mr. Leo Almodal will be having his own show on June 22. Abangan niyo yan. Nako. Woo! It's over the roof. Palakpakan niyo naman nag-iisang Leo Almodal. Nakita niyo naman yung creations na yun. Yung suot po ni Ma'am Benedict, it's one of his masterpieces. So Leo,
Good evening, everyone.
Bunso, may akong videohan.
I just want to take this opportunity to express my humble and humble thanks and gratitude to the Organization for America Filipino, to Miss Benedict Molina. So, maraming salamat po for this recognition and everything that you gave me as well. Like, you're being such a great friend to me as well. And I'll just take this opportunity as well to invite everyone on my fashion show po dito po sa Okada. That will be on June 22, 7 p.m. po. So it's a star-studded event and I hope that I can see you guys there on my fashion show. So thank you so much and God bless everyone.
we hope to see you all there. Leo Almodal's fashion show happening in Go Manila on June 22nd. We'll now move on to our next awardee. Our next award is for the Maharlikang Filipino Business Leadership Achievement. And it goes to the CEO of BMRS Beauty Essentials, Myra Samarita. That's Myra Samarita Ramos. Maharlikang Filipino Business Leadership Achievement, Myra Samarita Ramos, as well as to her brand, Nyanik Namida by BMRS Beauty Essentials. Outstanding formulation for skin whitening. That's Nyakina Mide by BMRS Beauty Essentials. Outstanding formulation for skin whitening. That is Naya Sinamay. I stand corrected. That is Naya Sinamay by BMRS Beauty Essentials. Naya Sinamay.
What's up? Team Dashlong, ayan, Team Pinday, ni Inday Jenny, ayan, shoutout po mga kabunso sa lahat ng bumubuo ng team na Dashlong, Team Pinday.
Si Dashlong, saka si Ilong.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo mga bunso, hindi ko kayo maintindihan. Dashlong and Pinday. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo and more blessings to come pa sa inyong dalawa. Team Dashlong, Team Pinday.